Hello everyone, Dr. Ash is here, and today I want to discuss about the Evolve Biolab Clomid. One of the subscriber asked, I always want to stop making video about Evolve Biolab, but there's always something missing, so he or she asked me about 4 weeks ago, so today I'm gonna make the video about it. So first of all, as usual, I'm not advocating of taking any kind of steroid or human growth hormone. However, if you want to take it, please do it at your own risk. These are only for entertainment purposes and so on. You can follow me through my Telegram channel, as well as you can send email to the email address that I'm leaving in the description. If you have any private question, you can contact me there. However, in the Telegram channel, you cannot sell any product. It's just for sharing the information, if you had experienced any side effect and so on. So let's get into the clomid from the Evolve Biolab. First of all, why you need to use clomid? Clomid basically is a post-cycle therapy medicine, and after usage of the testosterone and generally anabolic steroid, whatever kind it is, for long period of time, your own testosterone production will be shut down. And if you suddenly stop, or even gradually stop, because your body cannot produce and back to the normal level very fast, it takes long time. So you will face fatigue, you will face mood swing, you will face depression, as well as basically your sexual activity can even go to zero. You're not going to have any erection, as well as sperm count can fall down to zero, depend how many weeks basically you were on the steroid and so on. So technically, by taking clomid, you restore your natural testosterone much faster. You prevent all of those mood swing and all of those side effects of the lack of testosterone and low level of testosterone. It to some level prevent the estrogenic effect of the conversion of the testosterone to estrogen, and overall it's a very important drugs for post-cycle therapy. I will make a video about how to do the PTC, what dosage you should use in the future, so don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss that. So at the same time, clomid can have some negative effect. Side effect mostly also come with a mood swing, depends on the individual, but this is not more about the testosterone restoring. Testosterone is just your body reflection to the medicine. Some people seeing the flashlight and blur vision, very rare, but it can happen. If you don't properly use it, it can kind of increase the estrogen level inside your body. That also have another bad side effect. So it can also one of the most important job of the clomid. One of the most important job of clomid basically is to restore your sperm count. So it helps your sperm count back to the normal, to certain level. Again, this is not a written rules on the stone. Some people cannot restore their sperm count. Some people cannot restore their natural testosterone production. It's really depend on the individual, and really depend on how much testosterone for how long you've been taking it, and what is your response, what is your body genetic response to it. So all of these things has been said. It showed how important clomid is. Then my question is, why you need to buy Evolve Biolab Clomid? Because basically there are very good pharma level clomid, and it is not so much of restricted medicine. So if you talk to the doctor, they can prescribe for you. You can get it at I believe it's cheaper than even the black market, and quality is higher. However, if you want to take from the Evolve Biolab, I have to give you this warning that basically be cautious, because Evolve Biolab apparently have a very strong counterfeit now in the market. And those, I always said Evolve Biolab medicine and testosterone is underdose. The counterfeit even more less than the Evolve Biolab. So those things are disaster. I will make video about the sustanon and trembolone soon, about the counterfeit Evolve Biolab. So that's have been said, the clomid from the Evolve Biolab is legitimate. It is not underdosed that much. Again, 10 to 12%, 13%, 14% is around there, but it is legitimate. So if you can get the legit Evolve Biolab Clomid, it will does the job. But be careful. Again, I recommend you to take the pharma level. However, that was for today. I didn't do too much test on the clomid. It was just one HPLC run, and that's why I cannot exactly tell you how much it's underdosed, but it was not that much of layback, that much of drag. So I believe it is almost 80 to 90% purity, and it is clomid. So I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.